Hi and welcome to another video of BH Masters 101. Found a couple of videos with this air rifle, probably because it's quite a good topic. We have 3 batteries and Henry, as you saw. Henry died. We have Ben taking the shot this time. As you can see, they've taken heavy fire so far. So there's only one that hasn't been touched. It's probably it's the middle one. So Ben's going to take this shot with the air rifle. Hopefully he'll get it. I missed that one. That was a miss. No movement. Right, and again. Ooh, it's a miss again.
Still there. This time I hit it.
Apparently he's going to hit it this time. And it's a hit. And he's hit the one that hasn't touched, I think. Has he got the lucky shot? Yes, he has. Oh, it's a bit hot. He's got this one that didn't get touched. It's got like battery acid coming out and stuff. Cool. So, thank you for watching. Subscribe and comment and like. And yeah,
see you next time.
And watch more videos.